in this thy might is my message for today. And in this time, the Midianites were so aggressive on the people of God, and that Israel cried to God and thought that they will not be heard. And God called Gideon, who was so much afraid of the Midianites, to come and rescue Israel in these times. So go in this thy might. Why will God call Gideon, even in his fright, to go and rescue Israel? Go in this thy might, because first of all, the Lord is with you.